Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the power terminal block in your GE dryer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4 inch bit, a number 2 square head bit, a number 2 Phillips bit, and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Unthread the screw on the back panel to remove the protective cover. Loosen the screws on the block terminal to free the power supply wires. Noting the orientation, unplug the yellow, red, and black wires. Using the number 2 square head bit, unthread the 2 block terminal screws to remove the terminal. To install the new power terminal block, position the terminal block and rethread the 2 screws. Plug in the wires to the terminal. Reattach the power wires to the terminal and tighten the screws to secure. Position the protective cover and rethread the screw. Plug in the dryer. And your dryer should be ready for use.